The 75 Universal Laws of Power. Law 21. Exploit people's desire to belong. No one truly wants to stand alone. Beneath confidence, status, and independence lies a deep human craving to be accepted, included, and part of something greater. This desire to belong is not weakness. It is human nature, and those who understand it hold a powerful key to influence. People will adjust their behavior, their opinions, and even their identity just to feel accepted. They will follow groups, defend communities, and adopt beliefs not always because they are true, but because they offer connection. Belonging creates loyalty, and loyalty can override logic. When you make people feel seen, welcomed, and included, you draw them closer without force. You give them a place where they feel they matter. And once someone feels they belong with you, they are far more likely to trust you, support you, and follow your lead. A master of influence knows how to create this sense of belonging through shared language, common goals, and identity. They don't just build followers, they build tribes. And tribes defend what they feel part of. But be careful, false belonging can collapse just as quickly as it forms. If people discover they were only being used, loyalty turns into betrayal. True power is not just in gathering people, but in making them feel they are exactly where they should be. If you understand the need to belong, you don't chase people, you attract them. And once they feel connected, influence becomes natural. Have you ever changed your behavior just to fit into a group? What makes people feel like they truly belong somewhere? Is belonging more powerful than truth in shaping decisions? This is Law 21 of the 75 Universal Laws of Power. If you want to master influence, human behavior, and silent controls, subscribe now and unlock all 75 laws. Because in the game of power, those who create belonging lead without resistance.